How to know account information on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know a user's account information on Instagram. So it's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. You can choose one of your followers or your following. Like you see, I don't have no followers or following. All I need to do is click on the search icon, click on this account, for example. Now all you need to do is click on those 3 points up there. Now click on the third option, which is about this account, and now you're gonna see that joined account based in and former username, account with shared followers. You're gonna see her formation, and this is it. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.